Hey guys, how we doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So finally we've got that altcoin video. So we will go straight over to the charts and go through my list. So we're going to create a list on TradingView for them. It's going to be a bit of a long video, so bear with me. But yeah, so we're going to go through them. So here's the list that I've made. So this is basically the token name, the ticker, the exchange it's on, the price it was basically earlier on today when I checked in USD and BTC. So I'll be able to keep a track of these prices. We'll probably update them every week. I may actually just transfer these over to here because obviously I'm going to update this. These are basically to say that I have already got this token. So these are the ones that I've got so far. No, you don't. Doesn't want to play. And then we can obviously update the prices as we go along through the weeks, and then obviously I'll be able to see which coins at each particular time I've got, and yeah, then how we are shifting them over, how we are shifting them around. Let's get rid of this. Right. So the first one, this is pretty much these top few are my favorites. I can't necessarily put them in like an actual full-on ranking order, but yeah, I mean I'll probably say these top two, and then these are like my other top favorites. So we'll start with Kusama. So I'll just go over to Kusama on coin market cap so we can have a quick look. It's up today. So yeah, part of that I think was me. I was buying this and I was just lifting the market with the price. But yeah, Kusama. This is all the chart basically. So it only really started in 2020. If we put like year to date or 1 year, it if it just come up with anything, it'll obviously have nothing early on. It's not even coming up with anything, so I think we can put 3 months though. Yeah, so basically this is a relatively new coin. Let's read about it. Kusama is an early, unaudited and unredefined release of Polkadot. Kusama aims to provide as to serve as a proving ground to allow teams and developers to build and deploy a parachain or try out Polkadot's government staking, nomination and validation function in the real environment. So basically, this is a Polkadot is a DeFi basically platform, and Kusama is sort of a testing ground for that. But Kusama actually is where the better developers are basically developing. So I think this one will be the better one. So that's why it's top, but it's up there with Polkadot as well. But yeah, so Kusama, Kusama's on MXC. So I'll just show you MXC. This is MXC. No, it's not. That's Bittrex MXC. So it's just a normal platform. It's relatively good platform. I've got one of these platforms specifically to buy quite a few of these coins that are on MXC. I'll leave a affiliate referral in the description, because if you want to get some of the better coins, they're on MXC. I mean, what you'll often find is when coins are newer, they're not on all the exchanges, and like even maybe some of the better exchanges like Binance. But I mean, these exchanges are fine. You can obviously buy the coins, and then if they become more popular and end up on better exchanges, they obviously have massive pumps in price. Like we saw with, I believe it's Maker DAO that went onto Coinbase Pro, obviously had massive pumps. But yeah, so nothing wrong with using these platforms. I used to use IDEX quite a lot, which is a decentralized platform that's got which is where I used to buy quant. So yeah, just something to think about. So I've left a referral link. I think you do get some discount in your fees on it. You don't have to use it, but yeah, it just helps me if you do. That's not why I picked these coins. A lot of them are on MXC, but these are they just happen to be there. Some on IDEX and a lot of them on Binance too, and a couple on Binance Dex, and there's a couple on Bittrex as well. But yeah, to be honest, the main one is MX. The main one for that non-Binance coins is MXC. So between Binance and MXC, we've got a lot of the coins. So anyway, Kusama, let's find it. let's find it on here so we can put it on our DeFi alts list. So I have just searched it, so in fact we'll delete that. Yeah, so we'll just do Kusama Tether and Kusama Bitcoin. So we've got them both on there. So Kusama Tether, we can see this is the daily chart for it. So we started off obviously started off life around $1, got up to nearly $4, went back down to nearly $1, went back up to $8, and currently sitting around $6. So this to me, anyway, charting wise, this looks like a bull flag anyway. Yeah, so looking pretty good. But yeah, in this coin, and then if we want to chart it against BTC, and it's pretty steady process up. I'm not sure. This is obviously just when the coin was launched. I don't know really how it looks like that, but it does. So yeah, relatively decent movement up against BTC. So that's the first one. Polka dot. We will find this one. Here we go. So let me tell you about Polka dot IOU dot is a cryptocurrency. Has a supply of X. More information can be found here. So you want to click on here so we can see some more information on it. Polkadot is live. Polkadot development is on track to be the most robust platform in security, scalability, innovation. Currently in the NPOS phase of launch, but it's a DeFi. It's for DeFi. So yeah, there's Polkadot. Let's get that on here if we can on our trading view. Oh, got a copy off there. This one is available on MXC again. So yeah, KSM and MXC. So if I show you on here, KSM USDT. This is the market for it. Quite a nice offer at $6. Well, it's not $6. It is $6 in USDT. Yeah, quite a nice offer at $6. So yeah, and then the Polkadot one dot is here. And this one had a bit of a spike down this morning, which was fortunate because I was buying about 120, just over 120, and I was having to hit the offer on this, but I was buying this up from like low 120s to high 120s basically, and then obviously the markets decided to enjoy the rest of its move back up. But yeah, so we'll see if we can get this on here as well. Polka dot. I may not have even spelled it right. Oh, it's there. That's just Polka dot. Yeah, I mean a lot of these won't necessarily be on here. I mean yeah, so dot's not on here and polka dot's not on here, so we don't have that one to chart on here. But obviously we can try it on here. We can try it on here. There's the one. There's basically inception of the coin. So as you can see, it's quite new. Yeah, it's been relatively downhill, but yeah, I've got I think this is a good token. Yeah, so basically it came out. So that's the first. Yeah, this year basically is that. So that's basically this is a monthly calendar, a monthly one. So 01. Oh, I'm not even sure what exactly that means. I'm guessing the 1 means 1. Let's go to our weekly. See if it makes it any more clear. Yeah, this must be the day in the month anyway. But these are weekly candles anyway. So this many weeks. It's not been around for a while. Right, so next one. And I've got both of those. Right, KNC. KNC is on Binance anyway. So we won't have any problem getting this one up. For the charts, Kyber Network up again today. This is the chart of all time. So this was around in 2017. Obviously had its little run up, and now looks to me to be starting a nice little bull run. Kyber Network's on-chain liquidity protocol allows decentralized token swaps to be integrated into any application, enabling value exchange to perform seamlessly between all parties in the ecosystem. So yeah, ERC20 implements an innovative financial dApp. So this is DeFi. So yeah, Kyber network. So we'll have a get this on here. This is obviously on BitMEX. So KYB Kyber network. We'll get the USDT first if we can find it, or Tether's fine. Tether. So if this is a daily, this has not been around very often, has it? Yeah, so you could get in early on this one, guys. I guess if we look to on weekly, it's hardly going to have anything. A monthly, it might have one candle. So this is a new token, a new coin. Yeah. What's its market cap? Its market cap is... Its current market rank's 40, though. So I don't know why... Oh, wait. So it's new to Binance. It's new to Binance. Wow, God, I'm stupid sometimes. It's new to Binance, so let's have a look on another platform where it might have been on for longer. Let's see how long it's been on Bitfinex. See if we've got any more history on Bitfinex. Looks to me like we've got a lot more history on Bitfinex going back to... Only going back to 2018, but that's far enough, so... That's far enough. We're currently at a weekly 9, so we may get a bit of resistance around here. You'll notice that I've not actually bought this one yet. What have we got on the daily? Yeah, we've got some daily and weekly 9s, so, I mean, we'll be looking at around 0.8 to try and get into this coin. Yeah, so we'll keep that on there, and we'll get the KNC, Bitfinex, Bitcoin one as well. How's it been doing compared to Bitcoin? So, yeah, it's been doing all, well. That's the chart. Make of that what you will. So, next one. Energy Web Token. This is on Liquid, which is I don't even have an account on Liquid yet. It's the only one I can really get it on. There was another coin that was on Liquid as well, but I maybe I took it off my list. Yeah, so to be honest, I think there was a better exchange that it was on as well. But yeah, so Liquid Energy Web Token. This is another token that I do like though. This is another good one, I think. Energy Web Token. Down today. This is the chart, 3-month chart. This is all its life. So this is another new one, and it's just been up and up and up, starting off around price 50 cents and currently at $6. So that's a 12x in a few months. So it's on the up, having a little bit of a retrace from $8, so not the worst point to buy, but obviously you've got to get on that Liquid network. Currently ranked, it's a very low ranking, so I would say that's got a lot of room to run. 2,100. So yeah, I mean, as it gets on better exchanges than Liquid, it will probably pump. So this is another one of my favorites, which I'm pretty sure we aren't gonna find on here. Nope. No, we're not gonna find it. So right, next one, Edgeware, EDG. Let's see it, EDG, Edgeware. It's this one. Come on. There we go. Edgeware. So here's the chart of all. Again, it's another new one. Look, a new one. Not had any massive pump yet. I mean, was around 2. Was around 2. Now at 6. So 3x. Mainnet launch 17 for the second. This is because it's American and I'm English. 17th day of February 2020. Based in the United States. And it's basically based around Polkadot. So this is another good token. I believe. We don't have it on here. We don't have it on Binance either. We don't have it on here to chart either. But that's another one I'm looking at, and it's on MXC. So it's on this platform. So no, sorry. Edgeware is on this platform. Yeah, Edgeware is on this platform on MXC. So another reason to get on MXC. ChainX is another good one. ChainX. Nope, is the right one. Yeah, it is the right one. PCX. Yeah. PCX. Yeah. ChainX. So this is ChainX. This is all its price data. Been there or thereabouts. ChainX aims to facilitate asset intro probability with other blockchains, It measures users' mining power based on the market value and other assets deposited in the interchain bridge. So yeah, see you had a bit of volume there. But so this is another good one, I think. This one is on MXC again, is it? Yeah, MXC. ChainX is on MXC as well. So I'm guessing we're not going to have it, but we'll have a look. No ChainX. And it's PCX is its ticker, but I don't think we'll have that either. PCX, or it may come up with something different. Yeah, no, so no ticker for that either. Compound. We all know what Compound is. Compound is the main one, the main DeFi platform. On Binance. No real need to look at this one. We all know what Compound is. Over to Compound. This is our all out in June. So not being out long. Started off at $60. Had a pump up to had pump up to quite a bit. Currently sitting here. So price discovery mode at the moment, but I do think this is a good one. Compound is an ERC20 asset that powers the community governance of the Compound protocol. Compound token holders and their delegates debate, propose and vote on changes to the protocol. This is how they obviously distribute their rewards for the yield farming and the DeFi shenanigans that go on the Compound platform. But this is a good token. Obviously it's had a pump. Obviously it's brand new. Obviously it's straight onto Binance as well. So lucky them. Compound. We've got to have some here. Yeah, Binance. Compound's on Coinbase also. Or is that just one of them's on Coinbase Pro. That's Makers, isn't it? Maker DAO's on Coinbase Pro. Let me just see what this says. See if this has got it. See if it's just charting it. So this to me looks like it's come on to Coinbase, but I didn't know that if it has. But yeah, it's on obviously Binance. I don't think it is. Let me see market pairs. Market pairs. Oh, so it is on. So it's gone straight on to Coinbase Pro as well. It's on MXC as well, and it's not on Binance. So I just made that up. But it's on IDEX too. But yeah, so yeah, you can just get this on your Coinbase Pro or MXC. So I need to change that. I don't know why I put XC comma C. I mean, that makes sense why it's obviously had a nice pump. But yeah, Compound, great token. Great token. So but obviously I think it's been on, let's go back over to here. Binance, I mean, I think it's been on Binance long. It would have been on IDEX the longest. If we've got any anyway, so right, so we'll just use this one. So Binance comp tether, even less days. I mean, it's just yeah, here we go. So let's have a look at it on the 2 hour. So we should be able to see it's crazy price action. Obviously it's not saying how high it actually went up to on the other one, but yeah, so currently a bit of price discovery. We had a 2 hour 9 there incidentally. Let's check it out against Bitcoin. Yeah, so here's the Bitcoin pairing. I was just seeing if there were any other ones. Here's the Bitcoin pairing. Get ourselves some room. So yeah, it's not been doing much compared to Bitcoin yet, but I expect this is a good one. Against Bitcoin, we're on a 2 hour 9. There's no particular reason why I'm on a 2 hour. Nice 4 hour 9 up there. You guys know how much we love the 4 hour 9s. There won't be any of these because clearly this token has not been around long enough. But Compound, a good one. Carver is on Binance. Another good one. So these are basically my main picks. Carver up 15% today. Yeah, so this is it all. November 2019. Not been around too long. Getting back to around about those all-time highs. Carver on Binance. Have I got this one? No, but I've got Compound. So it must be on Binance because I said that I bought it. Let's have a look. Where do you search? Here we go. Yeah, so it is on Binance. Yeah, so here we go. Compounds on Binance. So there was obviously a reason why I'd written it on Binance. So let's have a look on here again, just out of curiosity, whether I just completely missed the fact it said Binance here, where I can't see Binance. Yeah, so I mean it's on Binance, even though it doesn't say so there. Right, so it's on Binance. I could probably just change that back to Binance. Anyway, Carver, we're on to Carver. Should just be able to go back, shouldn't I? Carver, and again Carver. So here's Carver. Year to date, all of it. Anyway, so we can find Carver. Yeah, Binance, hit BTC, but yeah, Carver Tether. Looking good. Look at that. That's a nice looking chart. All I can just see is the 9s popping off. 8 hours. I mean, obviously it's been around for a while, this coin. Let's go to a daily. So we've got basically all this Binance history here. So yeah, this I'm guessing was obviously March when everything collapsed. Back at those levels, and I believe it would be onwards and upwards for this one. So there's Carver, and we'll get Carver Bitcoin. What's he been doing against Bitcoin? Yeah, looking good. Falling out, descending channel, descending wedge, whatever. No, descending channel. Broke out of it. Onwards and upwards now. This looking good. There's a reason it's on my list. iExec. Here we go. iExec. Next one. iExec. Oh, come on. iExec. Decentralized marketplace for cloud computing resources. It facilitates a lot of the DeFi infrastructure. Been around for a while, since September, but could be looking like it's got some use cases and making some moves soon, possibly. It's on my list, guys. Market pairs for this one is Binance. This is on Binance anyway, so there we go. IEX. Is it on Binance? Am I just making this up? Am I even searching coins on here? Okay, no, but I'm not even searching anything for you to find no records. Anyway, market pairs. Market pairs Binance, so it is there. So don't ask me what this is paying. Maybe if I put RLC. Maybe if I try and make it search. It just doesn't want to. Maybe right. Let's go to markets. Is my internet working? So you've got no markets on Binance anymore. Oh, we're on. Oh, because we're on favorites. So alts markets or fiat markets or yeah, I was on favorites and we don't have favorites. Jesus. Fiat markets. RLC. Right, here we go. iExec RLC. Here we go. So it is on Binance. Anyway, I didn't really need to go to all that length. But yeah, RLC, Binance, Tether first. See, not doing a lot at the moment. Not doing a lot. Obviously had a bit of a massive party where it basically went to zero, but I shouldn't imagine that was the case. Maybe someone did just market sell and there was no liquidity in the market. Who knows? But either way, anyone that obviously did get any fills down there got some nice fills. But I'm currently on a daily 9 anyway, roughly daily 9. Yeah, but I mean the trend I believe will now be up for this. And then RLC, see how it's doing against Bitcoin. So how it's doing against Bitcoin. Well, we've got a sort of trend line that we could potentially break above, but yeah, I think this is a good token. Rocket Pool, RPL. we'll probably do half these. This video's probably going to have been a bit longer. Rocket Pool having a bit of a pump. It's been around since 2018. Look, it's obviously having a great pump now from all this all the DeFi stuff. Yeah, good token. This one is on it's on IDEX. It's not on a lot of exchanges. IDEX is obviously a decentralized exchange. It's on a few others, but IDEX is the one that I would use. Most of its trading is done on this one though, Bilexy. But yeah, IDEX. This is IDEX. IDEX is a decentralized exchange, so it's quite interesting. So you have the exchange, you have your wallet. And then when you want to trade, you transfer coins from your wallet over to this exchange, do your trading, and then you take your coins back off the exchange and put them back in your wallet. Pretty much how you should be trading on normal exchanges, but you don't. People leave their coins on Binance or Binance Dex or whatever, and they don't really operate it the same way. But yeah, just that's how IDEX is. I like IDEX platform. I mean, I've used this for a long time. It's the OG of decentralized platforms. But yeah, so IDEX, so Rocket Pool, I don't think we'll have much on here. It has been around for a while actually. It's obviously been around for a while, but we're not bothering charting it for some reason. Link, we all know Link. Link obviously is massively it's basically entering DeFi. Link is entering Link Chainlink Finance, I think. I know that's Tezos Finance, but yeah, Link is a good coin. It's basically a sort of oracle that you need to communicate the coins with each other. But we're on a daily 9 though, so it made sense we had that bit of weakness there. So it could have been a buying opportunity, but Link is generally a good coin. Let's look at Link BTC. Link BTC, that'll do. This will do. Link BTC, you can see against Bitcoin, very, very, very nice bullish chart. You would definitely rather have your money in this than in Bitcoin. If you're going to leave it in fiat. If you leave it in Bitcoin, you obviously getting a lot more in this, basically. But yeah, Link, we all know Link's really good. The problem is with Link is that like I think 1% of all wallets own 70%, 75% of the supply, so it's they've cornered this market basically, so they might want to dump this at some point, but when that some point will be, it's like musical chairs, just don't be one holding the bag. But yeah, this could be going upwards and upwards and upwards. Synthetics, CoinX and KuCoin, so SNX, synthetic. So yeah, let me just see how long this video has been going on for. 27 minutes. We'll probably do half an hour so soon, and we're going to move on to the next one. As you can see, it's doing well. April 2018, upwards and upwards, like on another pump now. Yeah, good coin. And synthetics, it's not really on any any exchanges that I use. Coin Exchange though apparently is not a bad one, and KuCoin is not a bad one, but I just don't happen to use those. So yeah, should have a charts for it. Synthetics, here we go. Synthetics network, Tether. So this is what it's been doing all its life. Grinding it out after a dip in January 2019. But this year though, doing well. And SNX BTC. Here we go. We'll just use this one. SNX BTC, yeah, popping, looking good. It's on a daily, it's near a daily 9, but yeah, good coin. Been pumping against BTC since June, so all of this month, and that's a pretty considerable move of basically nearly 200%. So yeah, good coin in synthetics. Crypto.com, this is a good coin. They have another one, MRO, but CRO is the better one. CRO is the better one of the two. Yeah, I mean, there's your year-to-date chart looking good. This is MRO, by the way. No, it doesn't want to show us. But yeah, so CRO. CRO is available on Bittrex. Bittrex is not a bad platform. This is Bittrex. CRO. We'll see if we'll put USD. Yeah, CRO USD. Calculated by Trading View. We'll look at this Huobi one, CROUSD. Huobi. Apparently it's on Huobi then, even though it didn't say so in that list. Yeah, good looking coin. Good looking coin. We're having a bit of a bull run in this coin, and we'll have a look against Bitcoin. CRO Bitcoin. Having a nice move up. Bull run started in so basically this year. It's been making a move this year, basically dead, and then we all start looking to DeFi. Bang. Use case. Balancer. This is on MXC. Balancer is another good one actually. Balancer. I don't think this chart's gone off the hook or anything yet. Yeah, I mean you can see released a few days ago, come down quite a bit. So when do you want to step in on this one? It's on MXC again. It's not really going to show on here. It ain't gonna be on. Oh, look at that! It is crypto FTX. Balances on FTX. It's a new coin, so maybe it's on there, but it's not been updated on CoinMarketCap. Yeah, but I mean that's it. It's only been alive a few days. Give it time, bless him. But Balancer is another good coin. Well, I say that, but it's good. I think it's in an area. It's a new coin. It's do you know what I mean? It's not a scam. Not financial advice, but yeah. So right, that's what we've got up to. That's a lot of the more obscure ones that you may not have heard of. We'll have to pick up in the next video. We'll start from Elrond. We'll put part 2 just so I remember where it is. These are more ones you probably have heard of. Elrond, Maker DAO, Tezos, 0x, LTO, and then we got some of the other ones that are non-DeFi ones that are interesting as well. So we've got half of them done. I can't make this video go on for too long, otherwise it will be too long. So yeah, thanks for listening guys. Remember, this is definitely not financial advice. These are the coins I'm looking at. These are the coins I've already got. These will all end up with an S next to them, and then obviously we'll start shifting them around when they have their pumps and etc. But yeah, these are the coins. These are the prices as of today. We'll probably update these once a week, every Monday I guess. And then yeah, and we'll see how they get on. So thanks for listening guys, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Yeah, sorry, remember if you want to set up an MXC, referral code will be in the thingy. If you want to set up a Bittrex, the same again. I'll put an affiliate link, and yeah, I'll speak to you guys on the next one.